Again?
What?
I thought we were doing Pick of the Hill.
Oh, no. I wouldn't do it twice. Oh, wait. There we go.
Like 10 seconds ago, this thing said 11:08.
Now, what happens if I just go like this to your fucking
It doesn't matter. You're still playing.
I don't know, probably did.
Oh.
What is it?
But wait a minute.
Okay. That's what I like that idea.
First time my MAC11's on film.
We'll worry about that later. Just before we do pile it down.
No, can we show me where Aaron plays the crack? Can we do the attack? Yo, can we do attack and defense?
Search and destroy.
How am I going to get this to look like Call of Duty? I have to do this the
You
whole
gotta put
time.
2 crosses in front, and you gotta go like this. And you gotta have 2 triggers, left and right trigger.
Well, I keep my Mac in my right hand because it holds more ammo. So if I run out of ammo in this,
So tempted. I want to so bad. Yeah, it's fucking took the crane. You took the stock off and hit it all the canister.
yeah,
Actually, I'll just hold it.
yeah, sure. It's plastic. It's nothing special.
Yeah, I was thinking about buying one like a long time ago.
It's not bad actually. I haven't used it in a while. I'm gonna start dual wielding these two.
Yeah, I have that one too.
The USB?
Yeah, I have the USB. Was it the H&P radio?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna sell mine and get one of these because since the mags are like 45 for like yeah trademark mag, I don't want to have a non-trademark gun and have a trademark mag. That's just stupid.
Yeah, that's true.
I was just thinking about selling it.
This is the first.
I found a size
Guys,
there
we're going to be
to fit
playing
that.
demolition, sabotage, whatever
Really?
you want to call it.
But when I bought this, I was disappointed. My
Big
silencer
giant
doesn't go on
fucking
this.
crate with a bomb in it is a bomb.
What?
Don't fucking say it. Of Iran. Don't sass me. None of you wanted to play this game, so I'm playing it.
I'll play it.
Where'd you get a cowboy hat?
One
from?
person on each team is going to be the bomb technician.
Space.
So who wants to volunteer? You're yellow. I want to be.
Who you calling yellow, boy?
I'm calling Paul yellow.
Who you calling yellow, boy?
And you know what? Paul will be the demolition guy for the no armband team. So, guys,
Got a scar on my back. That's why.
Come on, guys.
you're gonna need 2 people to move this bomb because it's fucking heavy.
I made this myself.
One of the people
It
that
looks
has to
like
carry
it.
the bomb is
I'll just
bomb technician. You're both gonna be fighting to bring it into the bank because fucking no one wants to build bases or spawns in this place. So you both got to bring it into that big building over there.
So you want us to bring it into the building right next to the close spawn?
No,
I was
I'm
gonna
changing
say,
it up
damn,
now.
we're getting fucked up.
Except you guys are going to be fighting parallel to the bank.
Oh,
One spawn's over there, the other spawn's over there.
cool. That'd be awesome.
All right?
More action.
the bomb as a shield.
No.
We need 2 people to carry it.
Yo, where's the fun in that?
I want to know whose person wants to have more.
If I hear one more dumbass
No arm,
Alright, let's play.
no armband. You're far in that corner over there. Yo, you're close in that corner over there. When you go to the entrance, it's the brick building, the brick triangle.
Boom, 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 boom.
Go in that building.
What are you looking at, bitch ass N-word?
Mike, where are we going? I'll tell you, do the MAC11 and then this.
Oh yeah, right.
Little fucking mini M203. Yeah, I know. I walked around the corner. That's basically exactly what it is. A little M203.
Yo, where are we going, Tom?
There's like a fucking
Oh,
flare
yeah.
gun.
Yeah, we're rolling. We're rolling.
Tom, where are we going? Tom.
Yeah, I saw it.
All right.
I'm walking around this fucking
Hello. Hello.
Alright guys, here's the objective. Fuck the objective. Let's just shoot him.
I like that.
Also, I have a JGG 36 brand new in box, $100.
And there's also a KWA.
With 3 high caps? With 3 high caps, yeah.
No one wants your Mac.
Gotta add that.
Someone else.
How do I charge you? I'll throw in a charger.
I give you 50 bucks.
I could get you, if you buy for $100, I'll throw in a charger.
If you buy a MAC11 for 125.
Don't buy the MAC11, trust me.
125. You buy a new one for 140.
Get four Mac. You spent 170.
Oh, that's true.
No, I need new bed. 125.
Tony, I need some
I got
heroin.
a Condor MOPC. I give you really cheap.
Tony, I need some heroin.
OD, like give me like $30. Yeah.
Wait, so what? We have to find the bomb first?
No, bomb's right there. Or I don't have
Oh, all right.
Or I have the
So let's set up a perimeter around the bank before we actually.
I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna light him in the. I'm gonna aim for the head.
I'll show it to you next time, but I have the MOPC in my car.
Okay, I'll take a look at that.
I'm gonna go head hunting
Tony, I
tonight.
need heroin. A whole bottle of margarine.
Heroin? Heroin? No, I only sell crystal meth. Heisenberg will help you out here.
Mom, before these things run out of gas, I'm pretty sure these
He's the
gas
one that
mags are
knocks.
leaking.
I am the one that knocks.
I don't even know. Can there really leaks?
Let that be
Probably.
known.
What?
No. I showed.
We're talking about paintball, right?
Alright, yo. You wanna go that way?
Yeah, we're doing that.
Yeah? What time, man?
What's up?
Yo, Tom!
Back in.
Where the fuck are you?
What? It's not loaded.
Alright.
Oh, he's talking to me, bro.
Rachel is systematic and I don't like it. I don't think it's funny.
Bang, 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 bang.
Yo, you
Alright, dicks.
Yo, I can just ball out. Just rocket through.
MAC11. 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 Alright, everybody all hands in. MAC11 on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. MAC11!
MAC11.
Drink to a lie. This is all we do.
Mac 11.
Shoot you with your own
No one
gun.
sells them. We just say MAC11.
fuck, yo. Why don't you shoot the ref right now?
Strike force open? MAC11.
Oh, MAC11. Does Strike Force have this? MAC11?
No, go. Go.
All right, we're at the bank.
This kind of stuff's dead.
What's that? Watch out.
Yeah, get up.
Holy.
Yo, the M203s. I want to see this thing go. Right there off.
I feel really bad for him while he comes around that corner. I got hit with a ricochet.
But you feel badass, don't you?
I never
No,
seen
not
it
really.
Friendly.
Friendly's in here.
So. Are we? What the hell? Thunderbee? Oh wait, there's no one there. Friendly. Bang, bang secure. You alright? Wait, how'd you guys get in here? Oh, alright. Yo. Yo, secret door.
Yeah, you got to watch the window. I got nothing.
Saw the shadow.
Yeah, back up! Move!
There's a hole in that fence down. Are they shooting?
Probably not.
Here, you watch that. I got nothing.